Hello guys, we are at a park right now, as you can see, and we got our car over here, our custom, or no, just our CRV. You can't even call this a custom, but we have a black hood over there. We're a little bit off-roading, as you can see on the gravel right there. You could call this an off-road. We installed a new bull bar, as you can see. It looks sick, and we have that cage over here you can carry shit with. Honda CRV. Yo, it just looks so awesome from this right here, from here, because the background is all hill. It's unwashed right now. This is our car currently. We have a lot of plans for it. As you can see, we installed a new hood, a black hood. It looks like it goes with the trim of the car, all the black bumper and stuff, and it just accentuates the look, you know. Yeah, we even have the LED lights over there, blue lights. You see, we put that bull bar right there. We need to put two lights on it, so you'll have the off-road feeling, real off-road feeling. Let's go to the back. We had a video we made like a year ago where we made this, like you could sleep in there like an RV, but right now this is just, we removed all that system. And as you can see, we colored the underneath the car so you won't rust with a protectant. It's a very good protectant that protects your underneath of the car. And so yeah, it's not rusting. This is like what? So this came out in 2003, so it's a very old car here. And we got a new exhaust, the OEM exhaust, and we colored that black right there. The other exhaust was just falling apart. So yeah guys, that's our update on this car. That's what we did. That's why we put the bull bar, as you can see. But that's all the update that we've done so far. It's a good car. And if we update anything new, we'll surely make a video about it. Yeah, it's a good, reliable car. Thanks for watching, guys. It was a simple ass video, but please like the video and subscribe.